Hello, it's Fast Charlie. I've got a challenge lock by an unknown maker. It's an ERA. Here's the key. Looks to be hand filed. And I got this lock from Dominic Paradis. Key works well. You do have to push down on it just a little bit to get it to cross center. I'm gonna try to go counterclockwise. I just tried to pick it clockwise and couldn't get in. If anybody knows who made this lock, let me know. I'd like to give them credit. Little bit of movement. I wouldn't exactly call it a false set. And let's see. Number 3 and 2 definitely are not really binding. Let's see. Do I need to go another way? It's another kind of pick. Oh boy. Not that. Don't do that. That's bad. Oops. I don't think I can go up this way. Well, maybe I can. I wasn't sure. Whoa, I had not tried that. Okay, there we go. There's a nice false set. I think that was on 5. I have been practicing a little bit picking these types of locks flipped the other way, but I am definitely not ready to do that with a challenge lock on video when I'm actually trying to get it open so that I can send it on to somebody. Come on, 2. 2 is really not cooperating. That was 1. I dropped it. Oops. Ah, darn. Come on. Come on, 2. There we go. We're open finally. Okay. That's fun. That was a fun little pick. And it did take me several tries. I think that was the 3rd time that I picked it counterclockwise. And let's see here. That was the 3rd time I attempted to pick it counterclockwise. This is the first time I've opened it. Oops. Don't want to lock it up. Although I do have a key. There we go. Let's see what as my kids would say, Mr. No Name put in here. Or Mr. Nobody, that's what it is. It's not Mr. No Name. No Name is what the tag says. My kids say, Mr. Nobody. Let's make sure I got those oriented properly. And yeah, there's nice work in here. There's threading in, looks like almost every chamber. Everything has to be picked. What in the world? I don't see a pin in 4. Huh. Okay. There's a nicely serrated. Another one. Almost just like it, except a little shorter. Another serrated, deeply serrated. In 3, there's nothing in 4. Interesting. In 5, got a serrated with 1 serration. And a double serrated in 6. And that's interesting because it looks like there is threading in 4 that was not populated. Oh, I think I left my flashlight on and killed the battery. Okay, got this from Bill Picardi. Get this little flashlight here. Looks like threading in all the chambers. Really, really barely noticeable threading in 3 and 5. Wonder if that pin was never in there, or if it got lost along the way. Okay, let's see what's up top. In 1, we have a barrel type pin and a steel spring. Oh no! Uh-oh. Oh, another barrel type pin. Really nice. Yeah, definitely whoever made this did a good job on these pins. So again, if anyone knows, gee whiz, it's a bad gutting. Another one of these barrel type pins, kind of like imitation Asa pins, and I'm going to try to catch this one before it jumps out. And I didn't. There's a... You know what? That's what I did. I must have shoved that number 4 up. That is interesting. It's only the second time I've done that on a challenge lock. I think I did it to one of Pickaholics, like in the first batch of challenge locks that I ever received. I'll have to check that out. Interesting. It's not good. Bad technique. Another one of these, a different kind of shape of one of those ASA type drivers. And a standard in 5. And all these springs look to be the same. And nothing done up here. Nothing done in the Bible, as far as I can see. No. Yeah, that would be... Doesn't look like these have been messed with. But, okay. I am going to try to show you real quick. Serrated in one. And then this nice, definitely nicely homemade barrel type spools, barrel type pins, serrated. Another one of these barrels. That's really nice looking, and the unevenness, the slight unevenness of it makes me really think that it's homemade. Nicely serrated, double serrated in 3. Another one of those barrels. 4, the mystery, the one that disappeared up into the Bible. This has more serrations on it. 5. And above it is just a standard. And 6. It's a double serrated. And another homemade barrel pin. I really like those. Those look really nice, and they seem to work really well. I've made a few similar to that, and I really like them. Okay. Well, thank you, whoever made this. I am glad that I found that it was me that messed up, I'm sure. I was just picking it. I tried to pick it too hard, apparently. I assume in one of my previous attempts. Probably not this time. But that's... yeah. That's the No Name ERA Challenge Lock. And again, let me know if you know who made this. They did a lot of work on these pins and on the key. And thank you, Dominic, for sending this to me. Everybody be good and be well.